In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a smart spreadsheet with Genspark AI sheets. By the end, you'll know how to go from a blank page to a clean, customized sheet that matches your goal, with AI doing most of the heavy lifting. First, open Genspark and sign in to your account. If you haven't been in for a while, make sure you're in the right workspace so your spreadsheet saves where you expect. A stable internet connection really helps here because the AI will generate content in real time. Once you're in, head to AI Sheets and start a new spreadsheet. You'll typically find AI Sheets in the main navigation or dashboard. Click to create a new sheet and you'll land on a blank canvas with a prompt box or description field ready for your guidance. Next, enter the data structure or spreadsheet goal you want. Think of this as your blueprint. Describe what you're trying to organize and what columns you need. Be specific and concise. For example, you might say you want a project tracker with columns for task name, owner, priority, due date, and status. If you have a particular order or data type in mind, include that too. Clear inputs lead to better first drafts. Now ask Genspark to generate the rows, columns, or layout for you. Look for the Generate or Create button. The AI will build an initial structure based on your description. Give it a moment to process, then you'll see headers, sample rows, and formatting start to appear. Review the generated spreadsheet and adjust the fields if needed. This is your chance to refine. Rename any headers that aren't quite right, remove columns you don't need, and add any that were missed. If certain fields should be dates, numbers, or drop-down selections, set those formats so your data stays consistent. Small tweaks here save a lot of time later. Add more data or prompts to improve the sheet. You can paste in your own records, ask the AI to add more example rows, or request enhancements like additional categories, better sample values, or a new column derived from existing ones. Keep your prompts simple and direct, and build iteratively until the layout feels dialed in. Finally, save or export the spreadsheet when it looks right. Give it a clear name so you can find it later, then choose the save or export option that fits your workflow. If you plan to share or open it elsewhere, export in a common format. That's it. Your AI-powered spreadsheet is ready to use.